my potential inside. Good evening. Say good evening to all your friends out there. Yes, a big good evening. So I'm going to show you the good evenings. Please stay on mute and then say good evening. Okay? If everybody shouts good evening, nothing we can hear. Okay? So see somebody, the same picture I got. See, he's jumping. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. See how he's jumping with a pom pom. Nicely.
Good evening. Cheppu.
Good evening. Yeah. So I want you all to jump like that one time. Stand up and jump once like that. Yes, like that. Okay.
Why you have removed the emoji? What
Okay.
I'm told, you have to be on
Okay.
mute.
Okay. Now everybody stand. We are going to do an exercise now. Okay. Stand up. Stand up. If you have any notebooks or pencil, keep it down. If you are sitting in the chair, please get on from the chair. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to do hopping. You know what is hopping and what is jumping? Yes, Araksha is saying hopping is doing with one leg. Okay. Jumping is jump with the four legs. Okay. So first when I say jump, you're all going to jump. When I say hop, wait. Please listen to me. Listen to my instruction. Then we can do. Please stop. Okay. When I say jump, you're going to jump with both your legs. When I say hop, you're going to do with one leg. Okay. When I say freeze, you're not going to do anything. You're going to stop wherever you are. Okay. Okay. So ma'am is not going to jump. Ma'am is having hood in the legs. I'm not going to jump. I'm going to see you jumping. Okay. So when I say jump, you're going to jump with both the legs. Don't catch anything, Lakshya ji. Don't hold anything. Get down from the cot, please. Can you get down from the cot? So if I say jump, you're going to jump with both the legs. When I say hop, you're going to do with one leg. When I say freeze, you're going to stop. Stop in the position wherever you are. Okay. See, ma'am is doing like this. When I say freeze, you should stand like a statue. Okay. Ready, everyone? Okay. Hop. All one at a time. I want only hopping, no jumping. Hop, 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 hop. Mahasin, hop. Yes, hop, hop, hop. Freeze. Freeze. When I say freeze, you should stop. When I say freeze, you should stop. Jump, 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 jump. Freeze. Freeze, you should stop. Mahasin, stop. Hop, hop, hop with one leg, hop with one leg. Varnika, hop. Freeze. Okay, come back to position now. Everybody sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Now everybody close your eyes. Please come and sit down. Enough of jumping and hopping. Come sit down. Close your eyes. What you? No, don't close it now. When I say close it, open your eyes. Look at me. When I say breathe in, you all should all breathe in. Okay. When I say breathe out, slowly. Okay. Hands onto your lap. Hands onto your lap. Fold your legs. Wait, Arax, I didn't say. Fold your legs. No, I don't want you to show your tongue. Fold your legs. Lakshita ji, please keep the notebooks and books, everything down. Fold your legs. No, Roshan, I don't want to see your tongue. I'm not a dentist. Close your, fold your legs. Hands on your lap. Very good, Maslin. When I say breathe in, everybody should do like that. When I say breathe out, nobody should laugh. Nobody should open your eyes. We are going to do meditation now. Okay? Calm down. Close your eyes now. Roshan, close your eyes. Shiva, close your eyes. Okay. I'm going to say breathe in, okay? Breathe out. Slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Close your eyes. I can see some of you opening your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah, Yuvan Sai, close your eyes. You're cheating me. I can see you cheating me. Close your eyes. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Okay. Close your eyes. We're going to do for the last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Don't. Are you anybody sleeping there? Open your eyes. Okay. Good children. So now we are going to mark our attendance. I'm going to call out the name. Quickly we'll do it. Okay. Okay. We'll start with Adya Shri.
Here I am.
Araf.
Here I
Akshar. Akshar. Arjun.
Here I am.
Dayanand. Gautam.
Here I am.
Perfect, Gautam. Grutvik.
Here I am. My name is Kritvik Yo-Yo.
Perfect, Grutvik. Jayakrish.
Here I am. My name is Jayakrish Yo-Yo.
Okay. Kaushik, you just say here I am. Kavin. 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 Okay. Kumara Guruparan.
Yeah.
Perfect, Kumara Guruparan. Lakshita ji.
Here I am.
Okay. Lakshraj.
What?
My name is Lakshalaxi. My name is Here I am. My name is Lakshalaxi Yo-Yo.
Okay. Nisha. Lakshita S.
Yes, Lakshita Yo-Yo here.
Perfect. Satvik. Satvik.
My name is Satvik Yo-Yo.
Nivin Surya.
Here I am. Here I am. My name is Surya. Yo-Yo.
Okay. Roshan.
Here I am.
Mahaswan.
My name is Muffin Yo-Yo.
Right.
Here I am, ma'am. My name is Muffin Yo-Yo.
Good. Ryan.
Here I am. My name is Ryan Roberts Yo-Yo.
Very good, Ryan. Sai Charan.
Here I am.
Izan.
My name is Izan. I am here, Yo-Yo.
Okay. Shiva.
Here I am. My name is Shiva. Shiva. Yo-Yo.
Okay. Shravan.
Here I am.
Thank you, Shravan. Varnika. Very good. Yuvan Sai.
Here I am.
Perfect, children. Very good.
Here.
Okay, all present today. So now we are going to start with our rhyme first, and then we are going to move on something. Okay. So last 2 days we have been learning about family. Okay, and already the talk time is almost over. So many of you told me about your parents. You wrote your parents' name, your grandfather name in the family tree, right? And so yesterday we all talked about your cousins. You told me all your cousins' name. Yes. Today we are going to sing that mummy daddy rhyme, fly fly butterfly, and then quickly we are going to start. Okay, we are going to do more writing today. Okay, children, ready? Ready to rock? Say ready to rock. Show me thumbs up. Don't unmute, please. Please don't unmute. Say ready to rock. What you should say? Ready to rock.
Ready?
No, even side, don't show me thumbs down. Please don't show me thumbs down. Show me thumbs up. Bad boy, Yuvansa. You are showing me thumbs down. Okay. Please stay on mute. Okay. So you're going to sing with me. We'll start with fly, fly, butterfly. Let me ask somebody. Lisha, do you know fly, fly, butterfly? Can you sing it for me, Lisha?
Fly, fly, butterfly.
In the garden.
Fly
Over.
over.
Spring.
Fly, butterfly.
Everybody give a big round of clap for Lisha. Very good, Lisha. Superb. Lakshraj, can you sing it for me, Lakshraj?
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, go away, fly away, over all pretty boy. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good, Lakshraj. Kavin, can you sing it for me, fly, fly, butterfly? Wait. Please unmute and then sing. You are on mute. Can you get help from somebody? Kavin, can you please unmute and then sing? Your sister is helping you out. Okay, let him get some help. Meanwhile, Mahaswin, can you sing? Okay, Mahaswin, can you sing fly, fly, butterfly?
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over the pretty flower. Fly, fly,
Very
butterfly.
good. Give a big round of clap for Mahaswin. Very good. Kavin, you brought somebody to help? Okay. Okay, let's move on to Shravan. Shravan, can you sing God's Love? You know that song, God's Love? Yes or no? You know or you don't know? God's Love.
No, he's so wonderful.
You don't know?
Yes.
You know. Okay, can you sing? God's. I'll sing with you.
Love is so wonderful.
God's love. It's so wonderful.
Love.
Okay. It's so high. You can't get. Okay. Can you sing fly, fly, butterfly then? Fly, fly, butterfly?
Yeah.
Okay, sing that.
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, fly away, over far, pretty flower. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good. Perfect. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kumara Guruparan, can you sing fly, fly, butterfly? Fly, fly.
Fly, butterfly, in the garden,
Wait, excuse me, sorry. Please don't unmute except Kumara Guruparan. Others, please stay on mute.
fly, butterfly.
Izan, please stay on mute. I'll call out your name. Please don't unmute. Yes, Kumara Guruparan. In the garden, fly away, over, fly. Very good. Good job. Okay. So now everybody please stay on mute and you're going to sing. Kavin, you are back. Yes, Kavin, please sing, Kavin. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Fly, fly, butterfly, in the garden, pretty flowers, overall, pretty flowers. Fly.
Okay, in the garden, it's fly away. Okay, very good, Kavin. Super. Okay, now everybody please stay on mute and you're going to sing Mummy Daddy with me. Okay, Mummy Daddy, I love you. You're going to sing along with me. Okay, sit straight. You and I, please sit straight. Okay. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too. You love me too. You care for me too. Brother, sister. Let's all play. Sing and dance. Laugh and prank. All through the day. Very good. So those who didn't get chance for rhymes, you will sing tomorrow. Okay, I've noted your name. Those who didn't sing tomorrow, today, you will get chance tomorrow to sing the rest of the rhymes. Okay. Now we are going to start. First, we'll start with First, we'll start with the family. Okay. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you a picture, and you're going to tell me who is that, and we're going to write the spelling. Okay. Everybody, even if you have worksheet, I want a rough note today. Okay. So please get ready with your rough note and pencil sharpened. Sit properly. Meanwhile, I'll open the sheet now. Please get your rough note and pencil. Get ready, children. Quick. We want to write it today. Are you ready? If you are ready, show me thumbs up. Izan is ready. Kumaragurban is ready. Lakshraj, yes. Lisha, Hassan. Everybody ready? Please write your name, and I'm going to show you the date. See, children, I want to tell you something. We have moved on to a new month today. You know what is a month today? It's not June, it's July. So we are not going to write 6, we are going to write 7. 1.7.2020. You know, right? Month January, February, we are into July month today. So please write today's date as 1/7/2020, or else write 1/7/20. Please write today's date. And we are in July month, okay? Wrote the date 1/7/20. Okay. Yes, Lekshita, please unmute. Has she unmuted? What? Sai Charan, please stay unmute, Sai Charan. Lekshita S, can you please unmute? Lekshita S. Yes, you have done. Can you please unmute Lekshita? Lekshita, I want to talk to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you see the picture here? I'm showing pictures. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see uncle here with red color shirt?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that uncle? Who is that uncle? The uncle is having a baby. So the uncle is father. What is that? Father. Do you see where is father here? Father starts with what letter? Father. Father.
Yes.
Yes, that is father here. Here it is. I'm going to write. So everybody in your rough note, please write father. I'm going to write. You're going to write along with me. F.
7 எழுதுனா 2 எழுதுங்க.
Write F.
அங்க மிஸ் பா. F A
C H.
Ma'am, what is the worksheet number?
It's not in the worksheet. I told you, no. Everybody take a rough note. Who is asking me? Is it Sai Charan? Who is asking me? It's not in the worksheet. Please take your rough note. Everybody take your rough note. It is not in the worksheet. Okay. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Father starts with F.
I just finished.
If you have written, please stay on mute. I'll check the notebooks after, at the end of the call. Okay, not now. After everything is done, at the end of the class, I'll check. Okay, if you have finished, very good. If you have not finished, please write. Okay, father. The next one, let's just make this big. Oops. Ooh. Okay. So next one, do you see a girl here?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please spell the spelling of the father again?
Okay, F-A-T-H-E-R. Are you able to see my screen, sir? Ritvik's
Yes,
father,
yes.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R. So I'm going to draw a line from this uncle to here. Father. And this boy is okay. Next, I'm going to call Arjun. 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 This is Arjun. Okay. So who is she? This blue color is Arjun. Who is she?
Sister.
Yes, sister. Sister. Yes, starting. Where is yes? Where is yes? This one is yes. Correct. See, ma'am is showing here. Is this correct, Arjun? Sister?
Yes.
I'm going to draw a line from this girl to sister. Okay. Am I doing it correct, Arjun?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we write sister now in the rough note?
Yes. Yes.
What color do you want? We'll write it the same color. What color do you want?
Red.
Red. Okay. We'll write with red. Okay. So everybody write along with me. Sister. S. I. S. T. E. R. Sister. I repeat. S. I. S. T. E. R. Sister. Are you all writing? Okay. If you have finished, show me thumbs up so that we'll move to the next picture. Okay, I think most, yes. Now I'm going to ask Izan. Izan, I'm going to ask Izan. Show me a smiling face, Izan. Why are you sad? What happened?
हमारे घर को है.
Don't be sad. Show me a smiling face.
Smile karo.
Smiling face.
Smile. Smile.
You're my friend, right, Izan? You're my friend or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Okay.
smile करो. अच्छा, big smile दो. Smile.
So now Izan is going to tell the answer. I'm going to give a big star for him. I'm going to show it on the screen. Shall I show it for you? Yes? Okay. Now you're going to tell me the answer. You're going to help me. Okay. Do you see this yellow color auntie? She's an old auntie. So who is she?
Grandmother.
Very good, Izan. Superb, Izan. Grandma. She is grandma. Gaga.
Liana.
What color?
Liana.
Izan, what color shall we choose for grandma?
Grandmother.
I'm going to join here. Grandma, grandmother.
Liana.
What color?
Hello, Liana.
Who is that? Others,
Hello,
please.
Liana.
इधर देखो.
Others, please stay on mute.
क्या?
Izan, tell me, Izan, what color shall we choose, Izan?
कलर देखो, क्या बोलते हैं?
What is the
Which color
favorite
you want to
color?
choose?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, ma'am is going to write with blue. Okay, I'm going to take a little thinner one. I'm going to write here. Okay. Everybody write along with me. Grandma. G.
Grandma लिखो.
G. R. If you write grandma, I'm going to show you a star is on. A.
लिखो जल्दी. नीचे लिखो grandma.
N.
GR.
A. N. D. Grandma. M. A. Grandma. For those who all have written, I'm going to just give me a minute. You finish it, I'll show you a star. Grandma. G. R. A. N. D. M. A. Grandma. Next, finish, children. You're hitting super fast. Very good. I'm going to show you a star. Wait. Izan, do you see the star, Izan? See? This is for all the children there who are writing it neatly and slowly there. Very good, children. Is anybody there not writing and cheating me? I'm not going to give that star for. Is anybody there without writing? Okay, I'll see all your notebooks at the end of the class. You don't have to show me. I trust you. Please keep the notebooks down. Please keep the notebooks down. I'll see it later, okay? Okay, so next one I'm going to call Adya. Please unmute Adya.
What?
Okay.
Ma'am.
So you see this purple color dress is Adya. Who will comb your hair? Who will comb your hair?
Mummy, ma'am.
Yes, mother. So where is mother? Here, mother. 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 Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to join match mother and we are going to trace. What color shall we trace with Adya? What is your favorite color?
Dark blue.
Dark blue. This, okay? Okay, we are going to trace mother. Very good, Ajay. Everybody is going to write along with me. Mother. M. O. Open your mouth. Say it loud and write O.
O.
E. H. E. R. Mother. M. O. T. H. E. R. Mother. Finished, everyone? I'm just going to get the paper. Okay. Done? Okay. Lakshita ji. Lakshita ji, please unmute.
Brother.
Oh, yes, very good. He is the brother. It's already matched, right? So we're going to trace. What color shall we choose to write, Lakshita? What color do you like?
What color you want? I want green.
Green. Dark green or light green?
Light green.
Light green. Okay, we are going to write brother. Brother. Starts with B.
Papa, brother.
Very good. You're going to write along with me, okay? B. R. E. R. Open your mouth and say B. R. O. T. H. E. R. Brother. Done? Finish writing? Okay, we'll give some more time. I think few people are writing. If you're finished, show me thumbs up. We'll go to the next picture. Ritvik finished. Arjun finished. Okay. You don't have to show me the notebook, Lakshita. Keep it down. No problem. We'll check it later. Okay. Yes, Roshan is done. Very good, Shiva. Yes. Shall we go on to the next word? Last word? Okay. Yes, Nivin Surya. The last one is, Nivin Surya, tell me who is this?
Grandpa, ma'am.
Very good, grandpa. So what color shall we write grandpa? With what color shall we write grandpa?
Brown color.
Brown color. Okay. We'll take brown color. Okay. First we'll do we'll write and then we'll match here. See, I'm going to match grandpa here. And we're going to write grandpa like grandma. Okay. It starts with G, G, grandpa. G, grandpa. G. Write along with me. R, A, N, D, P, A, grandpa. Grandpa. Are you all writing grandpa? G, I repeat, G, R, A, N, D, P, A, grandpa. Everybody is writing? Okay, right. I'll just give me. Adya is done. Adya is done. Done. Okay. So now, who will call? I'll call Kaushik. Kaushik, you're going to read along with me. Okay.
Okay.
Kaushik, unmute. Yes. Grandma. Others, please unmute except Kaushik, please. Kaushik, say grandma. Okay, grandma. Father. Brother. Grandpa. Sister. Mother. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Kaushik. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now next what we are going to do is, we are going to do a quick clapping activity. Okay. And then we are going to move to the next one. Okay, children. So I'm going to stop sharing here. Everybody wrote, you can show me the notebooks at the end of the call. Okay. Now please, Kavin, please take the pencil out of your mouth. Okay. Now quickly, I'm going to say one, you're going to clap one time. Two. Okay, Shravan. Three. Fast. Okay. I don't want, no, not like that. Okay. I want a break. If I say one, you should clap only one time. Okay. Ready, children? Ready? I'm ready. Ready to rock? Yes. Okay. Two. Mahasin, please clap, Mahasin. Two. Okay. Three. I want three claps. One. Only one clap. Only one clap. Nivin Surya, I asked only one clap. Okay. One. Two. Three. Three. Arjun, three claps. Three. Okay. Zero. Zero. No claps. Okay. Okay. So quickly we wrote the family family member names. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you the. We'll quickly do the story, Pepper story. Yes, ready for the story? Story time. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to. We are going to. Yes, Izan.
Lot of TV.
Izan, please stay on mute. Then only I'm going to open the storybook. Very good, Kumaraguman. Keep it down. Now sit. Everybody keep the notebooks, pencils, everything down. Relax. We're going to quickly finish the story and then we're going to look on to some other new things. Okay? Get ready. Story time. No talking. Only your. So I don't want anybody to talk. Okay? I'm going to narrate the story. So you're just going to see. And I'll ask questions in between. Only then you have to talk. Okay? Everybody ready for the story? Yes. So last week you saw Pepper story, right? What is a Pepper story? I'm going to ask Dayanand. Last week we saw a Pepper story. Remember?
Yes.
You don't remember?
Yes.
We saw no. Okay. We saw Pepper watches too much TV. You remember that story?
Yes.
No, you don't remember? That was nice story, right? Pepper.
Yes.
Yeah, Pepper will have.
Remember.
Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to see another Pepper story. The story name is Pepper Goes to School. What is the story name, Dayanand?
Pepper goes to school.
Yes, okay. Gautam, do you see Pepper here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the color of dress Pepper is wearing? What color dress Pepper wearing?
Blue. Velma Sundar.
Blue.
Blue. Is he wearing shoes? Think and
Yes.
say. Is he wearing shoes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, he is wearing shoes. Okay. So this Pepper, no, you are now at home, right? After this corona all are over, you're going to come back to school. This Pepper is also going to go to school. His mother is saying, Pepper, today the schools are opening. You're going to go to school. See, at home, he's having toys. He's having books. There is a table lamp here. There's a vase here. He's getting ready to school. This is his school uniform. Okay. Kumaraguruban, what is your school uniform? What is Kidsi's uniform color? What is the color of your uniform? Kidsi uniform? Kumaraguruparan?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes, very good. Yellow. Kumaraguruparan and everybody's Kidsi uniform color is yellow. Here, Pepper's school uniform is blue color. So he wears a blue color t-shirt, blue color shorts, and a tie. And he's having shoes. He's having socks and shoes, getting ready to school. So Mammy is asking, Pepper, are you ready? Pepper is saying, yes, ma. He's saying, yes, mama. Then again, mother is asking, are you ready? He's not coming out of his room at all. So she's asking, Pepper, come, get ready. It's late to school. Then his mother is checking his ties. See, tie. The tie you will wear it on the neck. Okay. She's checking his tie and saying, see, you look so good in this uniform. He's saying, huh? Is it? Am I looking beautiful? He's asking. Pepper's mom is saying, yes, you're looking beautiful. Then Pepper is little sad. You know why? He's saying, Mama, I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. He's crying. His mother says, what happened, Pepper? You were happy to go to school. You got your new uniform. You are ready. Why are you crying? No, Mama, I don't want to go to school. He's crying. Then his mother is saying, come, don't cry. Come, let's have breakfast. She's giving him egg and there are fruits here. See, healthy food only Pepper is eating. He's not eating junk foods. No chips, no biscuits. He's eating fruits and he's eating egg and there is a cup of milk. See, are you people eating healthy food? Roshan, are you eating healthy food, Roshan, at home?
Yes, ma'am.
What did he eat for breakfast today? Do you remember? What did he eat for breakfast today?
Beans.
Beans. Wow. What color was the beans?
Green color.
Yes, perfect, Roshan. Yes, Roshan is also eating healthy food like our Pepper. So Pepper's mother is giving only healthy food, milk, fruits, see, grapes is there.
मैम ने कूद दे मैम ஒருத்தன் மட்டும் என்ன ஒருத்தன் சொல்லக்கூடாது என்னமா நீ ஜூம் பண்ண வெம்மா மம்மி எல்லாரும் சொல்றாங்க எல்லாரும் சொல்றாங்க மேம் ஒருத்தன்
இமீட் எடுத்துட்டு வந்து பேசுறேன்.
சொல்லு பகத் சிங் எப்படி இருக்க கேளு.
பகத் சிங் எப்படி இருக்க Tausik, how are you? I'm fine.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. I'm back. Can you please, others please stay on mute? I'm back here. Okay. So we'll get back to the story. Okay, I'll just share the screen. So you remember, I just wanted to show you this pepper. Do you remember this pepper we saw last week? Do you remember him? Okay. We are reading this story, pepper story. Okay. Okay. So where did we leave? Are you able to see my screen, everybody? Yes. Okay. So whom I was asking, I was with Roshan who told me that he'll eat only healthy food. So Pepper is also eating healthy food. Okay. So then what happened? After eating his breakfast, even now he is not happy to go to school. So Pepper's mom is saying, okay, don't worry, you take your favorite toy. This toy name is Toby. Okay. You take Toby, go to school and play with him. Okay. Then you will have many friends. At home, do you have friends? You have your father, mother, brother, sister. Do you have many friends? No, right? But when you come to school, you'll have many friends. So Pepper's mom is also saying, Pepper, don't cry. You go to school, take your favorite toy, and you will have many friends there. Okay. And Sai Charan, what is your favorite toy, Sai Charan? Sai Charan, what is your favorite toy? Sai Charan, are you here? Sai Charan, can you please unmute and tell me, are you here? What is your favorite toy? We can't hear you, Sai Charan. Okay, I think there is some problem. Sai Charan?
Yes, my favorite toy is dinosaur.
Who said that? Sai Charan, you told me favorite toy is dinosaur.
No, ma'am.
Who said that? Shiva?
What?
Did you talk something? What is your favorite toy?
Dinosaur.
Okay, dinosaur. Okay, thank you. Sai Charan, what is your favorite toy?
Teddy.
Teddy. Teddy bear. Yes? Okay. So his favorite toy, Pepper's toy is also a teddy bear Toby. He's taking it to the school. Okay. So see, he's crying. No, even with the toy, I will not go to school. I'll stay at home and play with you. No, I'm not going. See, he's crying face. Varnika, show me the crying face. How will you cry? That is Varnika. Yeah, everybody is showing the crying face. Yes, like that, right? He is also crying. No, I don't want to go to school. Pepper is crying. See, ma'am has brought his mother has brought him to the school, and he's having the toy. He's hanging the bag at the back. There are many friends. See the elephant, then this duck. Everybody has come to school, but he's crying, no, no, I don't want to school. And this is, who is this? This is Pepper's teacher. Okay, this teacher is saying, don't worry, Pepper, you come to school. There are many friends here. You can come and play here. His mom is thinking, Pepper's mom says, why is Pepper crying? Okay, let's see. He will get many friends at school. I think he won't cry. So his mother, will mother stay in school with you? You inside. Your mother will leave you at school and go, or she'll stay with you? You inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Your mother will go, right? Leaving you?
Yes.
Yes, like that Pepper's mother is also leaving Pepper at school and she's going. So see teacher is holding the Pepper's hand and taking Pepper to school. See all the children here, so nice. See tiger, duck, elephant, and what is this? This is, I think it's a teddy, and then monkey. All the animals are forming a line. See how nicely they are going. They are holding their friends back. Are they running here and there? No, right? They're going nicely in a line. And then here some friends are playing here with the ball. Pepper seeing all this. Oh, these are going to be my friends. I think they are nice people. I think I'm not going to cry anymore. Pepper is going, and see Pepper's this is Pepper's teacher. She's saying, Pepper, go keep the bag in the classroom. Come and join the line. So Pepper is going to go keep the bag and come and join the line. See, Pepper has joined the line here. This is Pepper. Okay. So he's going. Now see, is he crying? I am going to call Arav. Is Pepper crying now?
No.
No. Is he happy or angry?
Yes.
He is happy. Yeah. He got many friends. No? Yes. He's happy. Okay. Akshat, tell me, what is Pepper doing? Where is Pepper? What is he doing in this picture?
Mommy, two people there. He's playing.
Yeah. What is he playing?
Slide.
Yeah. Where is the slide? In the classroom?
Here.
In the play area, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Pepper is going to the play area with all his friends and he is sliding in the slider here. So he's so happy now. See, now there is one friend. He's coming and asking Pepper, you got a toy to school. What is a toy? Pepper is saying, that is Toby, my best friend. He's showing. Roshan, you also have your toy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw that yesterday. Ryan, tell me, what is Pepper doing now in this picture?
What Pepper is doing year and year.
What is Pepper doing in this picture?
Playing football.
Sorry. He's playing football. Yeah. You see many colors there in that ball. Is it a football? It's a ball, right?
It's a ball.
Yeah,
Normal
ball.
ball.
Normal ball. And he's trying to kick that normal ball. Yes, he's running fast and he's saying, Yuppie, I got a friend. So this is going to be Pepper's new friend. Okay. And then they are going to the classroom. And this is Pepper's teacher. She is giving him some drawing work. Okay. Tell me, I'm going to ask Akshat, tell me, what is Pepper drawing? What is he showing in his drawing? What has Pepper drawn?
Pepper.
What is Pepper
Bomb.
drawing? What is Pepper drawn here in the paper?
Bomb.
Bomb. It looks like bomb. He has drawn, I think he has drawn an aeroplane. It looks like an aeroplane or not?
Fish.
Yeah, the aeroplane flies the sky, right? Pepper has drawn an aeroplane there. Okay, and he's showing to his teacher. Then the school is over. So Pepper's mom is coming and asking, Pepper, how was the day? So what will Pepper say? Who is I'm going to ask? Jay Krish, tell me what Pepper is going to say to his mom.
Mama, and today go school.
How was the school?
How was the school? How it will tell. Look at the picture and say. I have new friends.
Pepper liked the
New friends and play.
Pepper liked the school?
Yes.
Okay. Satvik, tell me, what is Pepper doing in this picture?
Huh?
Skipping the grammar part.
Yeah. What is the color of the ball? What colors do you see in the ball, Satvik?
Pink.
Pink. Then,
Purple.
ah,
Yellow.
yes, we have three colors in the ball. That ball is Pepper is kicking that ball. Okay. And what is the name of the friend of Pepper? This toy. What is the name of this toy? Teddy toy. Toby. Say Toby, Satvik. Satvik. Can you say Toby?
Toby.
Yeah, Toby is Pepper's friend. Who is your friend, Satvik? Who is your friend?
I thinking.
You're thinking. Think and tell me. No problem. Think and tell me.
Ma'am, pepper spelling what?
P-E. Who is asking me? Let me check.
Pika.
Okay. P-E. P-P. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. I write P-P. P-E-P-P-E-R. I'll write and show. Okay. Wait some time. Satvik, tell me. Who is your friend, Satvik?
No, I have to mute it, ma'am, because it will be disturbing. One second. When you want to speak, I'll turn on.
You'll think Roshan is your friend. Okay. Very good. Okay. Children, so now did you all like the Pepper story? Did you all like the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. How many of you didn't like the story? Okay. So the story name is Pepper Goes to School. So the moral is initially Pepper was little crying. Then after going to school, he got many friends. He had toys. He drew and he played happily there. Okay. So now after that, now we are going to do small worksheet. Okay. Children, those who have got workbook, please take your workbook. The workbook name is SRD13LTWS02. Those who have got rough note, please take your rough note. Those who have got worksheet, please take this worksheet SRD13LTWS02 and write your name here and put today's date. Date is 1/7/2020. I'm just going to share it. Give me a minute. Yes, those who have got worksheet, I see many of you have got worksheet now. And Lekshita, you asked me the Pepper spelling, it's P-E-P-P-E-R. This is Pepper spelling, okay? P-E-P-P-E-R, Pepper. Okay? Ready with the worksheet? Okay, so now I'm going to stop sharing. I think everybody has got this worksheet. I'm going to write and show for you so that you will be writing this, okay? Those who have got worksheet, write your name and date. I think you would have written by now, okay? So we have those others. I think you have got 4 lines in your notebooks, right? 4 line. If not, by tomorrow, please get try to draw lines in your rough notes. It will be easy for us, okay? So now I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to write along with you. Okay, so everybody is going to see me now. I'm going to write along with you. So we're going to start from this blue line. Yesterday, you remember what we wrote? We wrote mountain like this and we wrote U like this, right? Today we are going to write U, but we are going to do a curve there. See? Like this. Ma'am is writing U. And then I'm going to go inside and then come back like this. Like this. Like this. Like L. Like L. You see this? U like L. U, L like that. This one. Just going to rub it and write neatly. Write one time in the rough note. Okay. And those who are writing in worksheet, write one line so that you can write it later on after the class is over. You're going to touch the blue line only and write. You're not going to touch the red line. Okay. So you're going to write like this. Slanting L like this. U and L. U and L. U and L like this. Are you all writing? Satvik, are you writing, Satvik? I see Roshan, Akshat, Arav, Mahaswin, Arjun, Lakshita, Dayanand, Yuvansa, everybody writing. Very good. Saichan is writing. Laksha, Jaykrish, are you writing? Okay.
Which worksheet?
SR D13. I showed the
D13.
SR D13 LTWS02. Day 13. Can you bring it little closer? I'm not able to see that. It's day 13, ma'am. In the bottom you will have. I'll just share the screen. Give me a minute. I'll just share the screen. No, that's yesterday's. I'll just share the screen. You can have a look at it. This is the sheet I'm talking about, Lakshita's mom. It's SR D13 LTWS02. You'll have like this. SR D13 LTWS02. Got it, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So others, have you written? Have you written this one like this? One time. Even Sai, next time I'll tell your mom not to give pencil to you. Don't keep a pencil inside your mouth. Yes, Dayanand, very good. U and L. Always remember you're writing U and L like this. If you don't know to write L like write L like this, then remember you're writing U and you're not just putting like this. You are going inside, then bending and then come back. You go inside, bend and then come back like this. Anybody is having difficulty in writing that, let me know.
I finished my next one.
Okay. Maswin, have you finished? Rayan, have you finished? Don't keep the pencil inside your mouth. Take it out. Anybody finding it difficult to write this? Let me know, please. Now, Roshan finished, Roshan. Okay, yes, I can. Very good, Kaushik. I can see a notebook. Yes, Jay Krish, good. Even Sai, you're showing me. Let me see. Can you lift it up, even Sai? I'm not able to see that clearly. No, I'm not able to see. Can you show me? Lift it up. Don't scare me. Lift it up. Up, up. You have to lift it up. Yes. Don't eat the notebook. Even Sai. No, even Sai. It's so dirty. Take it out of your mouth. Take it out of your mouth. Oh, yeah. Very good. Yeah, I saw that. Good, even Sai. Arav Akshat. Who is showing me? Arav or Akshat? It's not clear. Okay, Arav is showing me. Okay. Arav, you can be little slow, Arav, in bending. See, write a U and then do a curve. Do a U and then do a curve slowly. Yeah. There should be proper. See, ma'am. See, ma'am is writing like this, like this, like this. No, right? See, there should be proper U like this and then a curve. You should see a U. See a U. You know U, right? So it should be like this. Okay. Akshat, you're showing me. I'm not able to see Akshat. Okay. Okay. Make sure that your curves don't touch each other. See? It should not touch. Both should not touch. You should write a U, then give a space.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, I'll come to you, Sai Charan. It should not touch each other like this. Okay, Akshat? It should not touch. See, is this touching? It's not touching. This is correct. This is not correct. This is correct. Okay. Varnika, please stay on mute, Varnika. I'll come back to each one of you. Okay, don't worry. I'll come to you. Show me. Show me. You can show me. Okay, but please don't unmute. Very good, Varnika. Good job. Very good. You wrote your name. Good.
Gautam.
Yeah, Roshan. Good, Roshan. Very good. You wrote then. I saw your grandpa, all the spellings. Too. Very good. Yes, Sai Charan. I'm coming to see you, Sai Charan. Okay, you traced it. Okay, after the call is over, complete this worksheet and show me tomorrow. Okay? Yes, Kumara Guruparan, you're showing me. Can I see Kumara Guruparan? You finished? Good. Very good, Kumara Guruparan. You wrote this grandpa, grandma. Can you show me that?
Yeah.
Father, mother, brother. Very good. Good, Kumara Guruparan. I can see. Yes. Okay. I'll come and check each one of you. You don't have to unmute. Okay, I'm coming line by line. Okay, I'm coming next. I'm coming to Shravan now. Okay, Shravan, show me. Very good, Shravan. Did you write father, mother, brother? Good. Very good, Shravan. Okay, I'm coming next to Gautam. Yes, Gautam. Show me, Gautam. You got your worksheet. You're tracing. Very good, Gautam. Very good. Trace this and complete after the class is over. Okay. Then you're going to show me that father, brother. Okay. Okay. Good, Gautam. Okay, next I'm going to see Varnika I saw, Raksha I saw, Sai Charan I saw. Okay, Shiva, you're writing? Okay, continue. I'll come and check. Shiva, can you show me till what I've written? Okay, good, Shiva. I can see. Okay, Lekshita, can you show me the worksheet?
4 lines.
Lekshita, can you show me your worksheet? Shiva, can you please? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Lekshita, can you show me? Lekshita S. I'll come back to you. Okay, Lakshita, I'll check with others and come back to you. Yes, Ara, very good. Satvik, show me. Satvik, you traced it. Can you show me, Satvik? Good. Satvik, after the call is over, complete it. Okay, complete the whole worksheet. Okay. Yes, Jai Krish, I saw yours, right? Yeah, I saw. I remember. Saw you, Ryan. Feeling sleepy, Ryan? Show me your worksheet. Okay. Can you just lift it up a little bit? Okay. Ryan, stick on to the blue line. Okay. Make sure you write within the blue line. Okay. See, ma'am has written within the blue line, right? See? Look here, Ryan. Look at me. See, I'm writing within the blue line. Okay. Don't come out of the blue line. Okay. Yeah, Roshan, I saw yours. Roshan, did you see yours? Yeah, I saw. Yeah, right.
Ma'am, I know writing.
Yuvansai, show me Yuvansai. Show me the spellings you wrote, brother, mother, sister, spellings. Show me that.
ஒழுங்காக்கறா அந்த திரும்பனா உனக்கு என்னடா உனக்கு என்ன உட்காருங்க
Okay, Yuvansai.
திரும்ப கூடாதா நீ எழுத மாட்ட என்
Arjun,
உயிரை
others please stay on mute. Arjun, very good, Arjun. Superb, you have written, Arjun. Good. Kaushik, can I see your father, mother spellings, Kaushik? Very good, Kaushik. Good job. Okay. Whose notebook I didn't see? You can tell me so that I can come and see. I'm just saying. Have a look, anybody? Yeah, Lakshraj. Okay, Lakshraj, and then Lakshdaji. Okay, I'll check Lakshraj. Very good, Lakshraj. Very nice. You wrote good job. Lakshita ji, show me Lakshita ji.
Daddy.
Lift it up. Very good. Good. Continue it and finish it later. Okay. Good. Adya. Show me Adya. I'll come. Nivin Surya, I'll come back to you. Okay. You wrote father, mother, brother. Adya. Okay. Very good, Adya. Very neat. Okay, Nivin Surya, show me Nivin Surya. Show me. Nivin Surya, show me. Okay. Very good, Nivin Surya. Good job. Then I think Lisha, I didn't see. Lisha, where are you? Lisha. Maswin, I didn't see your notebook, Maswin. Show me. Maswin. Show me your notebook. I didn't see your notebook. Show me. Up. Yes. What about the tracing? Where is the tracing? You have the worksheet, right? Show me the worksheet. Okay. You should finish it and give me. You should finish it and show me tomorrow. Okay, my friend?
ஓகே மேம்
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Lisha. Okay, Lisha, you should finish it and show me tomorrow, okay? Izan? Yes, very good, Lisha. Very neat. Good. Nicely have written.
I write it, ma'am.
Izan, where are you, Izan?
I don't write it. The pages.
Who's talking? Lakshita, yes, can you please stay on mute, Lakshita?
Mute, ma'am. Okay.
You wrote or not? Show me the notebook. You don't have to unmute. Just show me the paper. I'll see.
Okay.
Okay. Slowly. No problem. Take your time. Slowly you open the book and show me.
Okay.
Yes, Akshadarav. I saw that. Nice. What are you showing me, Lakshita ji? What is that you're showing me?
Am I right?
Oh.
నిల్చోబెట్టు చిన్న
Yeah, Kritvik.
Chappu.
Name.
Very good, Ritvik. I'm just trying to see. Yeah, okay. What about the worksheet? You did the tracing? Okay, good. Very good. Yes, Shiva. Very good, Shiva. Yeah, Mahaswin, you showed me the tracing. Where is Mahaswin? You showed me. I didn't see.
I don't finish.
Why? Good, Shiva. I saw your tracing, Shiva. Okay. Izan is not. Izan is there. Izan. Okay. So have I checked all your notebooks? Anybody is pending? I didn't check. You can. Aravaksha, Jay Krish, please stay on mute. Aravaksha, Jay Krish, please stay on mute. Okay, Lakshita, you're showing me now? Okay. Okay, complete this tracing. Okay, Lakshita? After the call is over, complete it tomorrow and show me. Okay, I think you have not finished the tracing. Okay? Okay, good girl. Okay, so we have done with today's class. So we'll just recall what all we saw today. We wrote the family names, and then we traced it. Then what we did, we saw pepper story. Okay, I had the plans of showing you and words. We'll do it tomorrow, sight words. Okay, so today I want to just tell you, Monday we'll have a small revision of number names. Okay, so today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days you have, right? So you all revise number names from 1 to 20. Okay, Monday we'll have a quick revision. I will tell the number name. Without your parents' help, you have to write the number name there. I will not show you the number name. Okay, I'll tell the number. I'll tell 10. You should write TEN in your rough note. Okay, without anybody's help. So we're going to do a revision of number names 1 to 20 on Monday. Okay, so children, get prepared for that number names. Okay. Okay, so today's homework, those who have worksheet, complete the tracing of both the worksheets. Day 13, LT, WS01 and WS02. And for others, those who have rough note, you can continue this tracing and then write number names 21 to 30 one time. You are going to write number names 21 to 30 one time in your rough note. Okay?
We have to do the band.
Sorry?
Band. Wristband.
Wristband tomorrow, yes. Who reminds me? Thank you, Kevin. Yes, you're going to get ready for the wristband. You're going to do the wristband tomorrow. Okay? You all know, right, what we should do? Should get a cutout of a strip and then 2 heart shapes. Okay? We need scissors. We need gum. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you so much. Say thank you, ma'am.